In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format pictures in PowerPoint. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and navigate to the slide that contains the picture you want to edit. Once you've selected the image, click on it just once. You should see a nice editing border appear around the edges of the image, which signals that it's ready for some formatting fun. Next, you'll want to access the formatting options. You have a couple of choices here. You can either right-click on the image and select Format Picture from the menu that pops up. Alternatively, if you prefer using the ribbon at the top of the screen, keep an eye out for the Picture Format tab that appears automatically when you've selected the image. Either way works beautifully. Once you've clicked on either option, a detailed formatting sidebar will slide open on the right side of your screen. This sidebar contains 4 main groups for customization that we'll go through. The first section is labeled Fill in Line. Here, you'll find options that allow you to alter the background of your image. For instance, if you're working with a transparent image, you can adjust the colors behind it or even add a clean, uniform border around the photo. This is especially handy for making your images stand out against various backgrounds. Next up is the Effects section. This is where the magic happens. You can enhance your image's visual appeal by adding stylized traits such as drop shadows, outer glows, soft edges, or even 3D reflections. Each effect can give your picture a unique look and feel, making your presentation more engaging for your audience. Now let's move on to the Size and Properties section. This is crucial for maintaining proportions and clarity in your images. Here, you can resize your picture with exact numerical precision, adjust the cropping margins, and even set rotation angles. Plus, you can choose to lock the aspect ratio so that when you resize the image, it maintains its original proportions, no more squished or stretched images. Lastly, we have the Picture Tools. This section houses a variety of deeper photographic tweaks. You can adjust overall color profiles, tweak saturation levels to make colors pop or fade, enhance clarity for sharper images, and balance contrast for that perfect visual impact. Don't be afraid to play around with these settings to find the look that best conveys your message. So whether you're looking to make a simple edit or transform an image into a stunning visual element, PowerPoint provides all the tools necessary. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore each option and see what works best for your project. That wraps up our tutorial on formatting pictures in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these tips helpful for enhancing your presentations. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more